Security guards' firearms stolen as gunmen robbed $3.2 million from Jamaica National.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Gunmen invaded and robbed the Jamaica National Bank money shop in White House, Westmoreland of approximately $3.2 million on Tuesday, the 28th of July. The incident occurred about 11:40 a.m. In a statement, Jamaica National says none of its 4 employees at the complex was harmed, but it says an armed security guard assigned to the location by a guardsman was injured during the incident. The security guard has since received medical attention. His firearm was also reportedly stolen during the robbery.
What happened today is that there was an armed robbery at Jane Money Shop, White House. None of the staff members were injured, but contracted guards got some injury. The robbers took about $3.2 million, and the matter is now in the police's hands.
The bank released images from surveillance footage, which show 3 gun-toting male suspects in action during the robbery. The photos show 2 of the 3 robbers wearing denim jeans, masks, and caps, while the other appears in a hooded sweatshirt and mask. The gunmen then fled the scene in a stolen taxi. The location was subsequently closed as the police and guardsmen conducted investigations. Meanwhile, Jamaica National says its employees are receiving counseling.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.